Oh no.
Oh, God.
It's over.
No.
You're gonna see what happens.
Oh no! Don't do it to him, Thomas.
Hey, it's okay because you can't edge guard Wolf.
Thomas,
He's actually an edge guardable.
Thomas, he has a family, dog. Please.
Oh yeah, so Ivayne, like me, plays Thomas' Fox all the time and never wins in all lives.
How much you play Zero Mage, kid?
You're right.
You're right. Oh,
Fair comparison. I agree.
I agree.
Oh, he messed up. If that was Falco, he would have messed up. He should have just Dacus. Oh man.
Oh, the
Always trying to give him that work, though.
Oh, the eye.
Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah. Shoot the gun, Ivayne. That shit
Oh.
I like.
The Wolf's unedge guardable.
Yeah, dude. Edge guardable.
Look at that. He told me.
Yeah, Wolf just didn't want to recover. And
Yeah,
that's why.
Wolf was like, man, recovering.
Just like go on stage and like take the punish, you know? Like you died at what? Like under 30?
Yeah, I mean you gotta take the punish, but then you feel like shit because this happened. You know what I mean?
Would you rather die at 30 though? Like,
ban everyone that loses at Thunders.
yeah. Like what did you die at? Oh, 30. Oh, no jump.
I've been so mad. If you look at the player cam, you're just like, I hate this character so much. Which is funny because he's playing fucking Wolf.
I don't know, man. Fox is pretty good.
All you do is hit them from.
Ooh.
Should dash, way dash back up tilt. Oh!
Hey, Ivayne!
No, you had it.
Hey, Ivayne! You gotta go to the ledge sometimes.
Hey,
I mean, you gotta go on stage sometimes.
Hey, give him the Marth FT. Oh,
He's not taking this shit anymore.
Yeah, get him. Get him.
He's not taking this shit.
See, the problem is though, you have to win to get the grab.
Dog, I think Marth is free. I bodied my Falcon.
Oh god, that's terrible.
Your Falcon's amazing.
My Falcon's
dog.
dog like money match me, bitch.
Same, dude.
I might be down.
He wasn't DK and Puckle Boring did it. But Puckle could have put his DK in losers too.
Yeah, Mario Fair put him in losers.
Yeah. He could have done it with DK. He could have done it even if he was DK playing DK, to be honest.
It would have been harder.
Yeah, but Puckle Boring's a legend. Look at that, no SDI.
Not a legend, just a noob.
Oh, you're right. I mean, that's
Well,
not the same.
same thing.
Oh! Why did you go down and shine him? I would have shined him anyway, dude. He's dead.
You have to practice that roll to the ledge.
It's not
grab.
hard.
I'm bad at it.
Look at
I
this,
fucked it up
look at
just
this man.
a
He's
little.
just showing you how to do it right now.
Come on, hit him
What's
with
in
the
your shit, nerd?
triple roll to
Gigantic
F
weeaboo.
smash.
I like it. That's a Doug plan.
Do I smash naturally though? Oh, is that lucky?
I love you're dead. I love it when someone's playing Fox and then they bitch about other characters being done. And then we're like, and then they shine spike you at 0 and then you die. And they're just like, and then you're like,
You just look at him.
I know,
is
I'm like,
that dumb?
like, you're talking about my character being dumb? Like, I was playing Dylan's Fox with Wolf, and like, he was like, God, this character's so stupid. And I'm like, yeah, he's not wrong, I'm not doubting it. But then he like, shine spiked me he shined me at 0 and I just died. And I'm just like, I mean,
I'm not one to complain.
like,
But,
you want to talk to me about dumb?
Every character. That's just how the
Ooh, he might have crouch canceled the detail. What a
It's
legend.
just the mark of the
Oh!
game.
Oh, look at him saving him.
What a
homie.
Where's the Sonic Boom music though, dog?
Who
Sonic
uses
Boom!
all, who keeps them all on? Who keeps them all on? Why?
Okay, a lot of them are free.
Oh!
Oh!
Oh, look at this man. Mewtwo King!
Oh!
Mewtwo King! Oh my god!
Oh,
No, you won't die from that.
Oh my god.
Oh! Doesn't he get grabbed at that range?
No, he doesn't.
Oh, look at this man.
Go Falcon, Ivayne!
Ivayne, your Falcon's your best secondary!
Oh yeah! Fox ditto
Yo,
him!
Ivan's your best secondary. Your Falcon's your best secondary.
Hey,
Fox ditto him!
Hey, just make him Falcon Ditto, dog.
Oh, Falco! Oh my god.
Oh,
You gotta
man.
pee! I think your Fox is way better than your Falco.
Well, at least this is almost over. It's over for my boy.
No, I believe in the Falco,
I don't.
dog. You gotta have faith in something, dog.
Not the Falco. I'll tell you that one. Honestly, I think Fox actually just wins this matchup, by the way. Maybe I just suck, and I won't deny it. Especially against this character.
No, it's 50-50, dog.
I did say Falcon, to be honest. I don't know why he's playing Falco. Yeah, I don't know. I actually just think Falcon. Fox wins 55-45. Like, it's real fucking dumb when I'm playing this guy. I mean, I guess, maybe. I'm the Falcon player.
I know, I'll show you how to do it.
And who's gonna play Fox? Was it his Fox?
Yes.
Please show
I
me.
will do it, dog.
Please talk to me about it. Ah, look. You thought you'd check. You thought you'd get out because you got a check. Nah, you just took shit, those guys. Ooh, look at that jab F smash. I'm a fan.
Honestly, I think your best thing doing that is like your best back and then get up. But
Right.
even then, you
You can just
yeah,
smash that.
yeah,
You can smash that.
But like, you gotta make some.
Yeah. Oh, look at this guy.
Give you. It's more like this.
Oh, I always play like this. I don't have a punish game of fast levels.
Oh no!
I definitely don't have a punish game of fast levels. Don't give this one credit. I don't even care about the set. Oh, look at this guy.
That one, he's charging it right there.
Oh, you're still dead. Because you fucking suck!
You got like a bunch of SDI inputs on the fire.
Oh, look at this man. I'm proud. Let's go, Ivan.
I'm so proud of you.
Fuck up.
Bro, you don't like the
I've never listened to that song, actually.
I like Drake featuring Rihanna.
I also...
like too good?
I don't listen... I don't listen to American music. I thought we knew this. I'm just a weed. Oh, look at this combo game. No, I
Oh,
haven't.
look at this combo.
Look at this
game.
combo. Oh.
Oh, come on.
Wait, who's this little spoon man? What are you being yes about? Oh, look at this back ill. Oh!
Ah,
Man, this is going better than his wolf. What a tragedy.
Nice ledge dash, bro. Oh, is he about to? Oh my god, he's gonna do it. He's gonna do it with Falco.
this would be a travesty if he won with Falco.
Oh no. Oh no.
The only time
Oh
I,
shit!
the only time I beat Thomas's Fox with Falco is when I literally camp him like a massive fish.
My voice is going in too.
Huh? It's really hard. What the fuck? Thomas just grabs me when he plays. Why is he not grabbing? Okay, yeah. Grab me.
Living if you don't grab the edge like a wiener. Oh, he did it.
Okay.
Look at that.